Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to use the Meta Business Suite or Facebook Business Suite. So as you can see, if you don't have the app on your phone, you go to your Play Store or the App Store and download Meta Business Suite. Just type Business Suite and you will see it. Then you download it. After you download it, you open like what you're seeing here. Now, after you open it, there are so many ways you can use the Meta Business Suite. It is basically used for managing the page. So first of all, as you can see, I've opened to the main interface on the Meta Business Suite. One of the things that you can use it for is to manage many pages. So for example, you look at the profile picture at the top left hand corner. If I click on the home button at the bottom left hand corner and then I click on the profile picture at the top left, it will bring me all the pages that I have. So for example, let's say I want to manage this page, so I'll click on it. If I wanted to switch, I can just click on switch and it will switch me to the other page. But let's say I want to come back to the this page. I'm back to it. Then first thing you can do is to what? To create content. But I will take time and go through all of them one by one at a time so that you know how to use the app very well. So so the first one is home button, the second one is the content button. The content button indicates everything you ever posted on the page. It will show there. The third button after the content is the plus button. So we go to the plus button. That is the create content button. So when you click on the plus, it will show you the various options such as post. The normal post is the first one. You also have the option to post a reel, a photo, a story, to post an ad, and to go live. And as I said earlier, this particular app basically is for managing your Facebook and Instagram, your Facebook page and its corresponding Instagram account, so that you can post onto both at the same time. So for example, if I want to post something, when I click on the post, you see that I can just tap and indicate that I want to post to my Facebook and Instagram. Even if I want to publish also to any of the groups I have, I can do that. So now I want to post to the Facebook and Instagram. So you just select the picture you want to post. So for example, let's say I want to post this picture. I'm just demonstrating. It's an example. I'll later delete the book. I don't really want to post it. So if you have any write-up you want to say, you just put the write-up here, and after that you post it. So for example, I don't even want to add any write-up for now. I just want to post it. So I'm publishing it. You see, it has been posted. So if I come back to the content, you see that it has been posted on the Facebook. On the Instagram too, it will also be showing there. So let me also go to the Instagram so that we see how it will look. Let me just search for the page. As you can see, it has also been posted on the Instagram at the same time, but I just posted it to demonstrate for you to know that yes, when you post on the business suite, it will post on both the Facebook and the Instagram, Facebook page and the Instagram, if they are really connected. And I will later show you how to connect them. Now I'm going back to the business suite. Okay, I'll later delete these things. They are just for examples. Okay, so the next one you can go to is the inbox. So when you go to the inbox, any messenger message that was sent to you, you will see it on the messages, the one on the messages column, you see it there. Then under the comment, you also see anything that was commented on the advert, you see. So for example, someone made a comment that this man is good. I spent over 5,000 boosting posts on Facebook for 3 years and had no proper results. I was frustrated and decided to stop advertising on Facebook. One day, I chanced his ads here and contacted him earlier this year. The rest is history. Please contact him. So you see, if I want to reply, I can just click here and reply him. If I want to message him directly, I can do that here. You see that this person is advertising on my advert and I don't want the person to advertise. So what I have to do is, you can just click and hold it like this. And then we have report, reply, comment, hide, delete, and then delete and block. So for example, I want to block the person for advertising on my advert so that the person will not see it again. So I can just click on delete and then block, ban and delete. So the person will not see my advert again. So that's how to block someone. If you want to also delete the comment, you saw how it is done. Now when you even come here, see when you click on it, for example, you can message the person directly. There are a lot of actions you can take. And even sometimes, all those people that like the advert, when you click, let me show you something. You can also use it to get followers. So how do you get the followers? When you come, all those that have liked it, sometimes it will show you an option. Later on, I will show you, but there's sometimes an option where you can click and then invite the people to come and follow the page, which I will later check and then show you. Okay. Then so that's the inbox. So the inbox, you can, anytime you come to the inbox, you see the red dots. You can reply all of them. Any red dot you see, it means that you haven't replied the person. Then you go to the tools. So under the tools, we have notifications and then ads. Notifications means that if you want to set the notifications setting, maybe you see something like this. Whatever people commented or whatever they said about your advert or about your page, it will show here. So those are the notifications. Then you can go to appointments. If you want to schedule appointments with people, it will show there. Orders, if some people ordered and you want to mark them as they have ordered, you can, all of them will show there. Then you can go to insight. Insight is if you want to have some more information, statistics about the performance of your page. You see, in the last 28 days, the page has reached about 61,000, and that is an increase of 153%. Then you can see March 28th to April 24th and April 25th to April 22nd. You see the difference. They are showing you the performance. You can follow this to see how the page is performing. You can also you can go to the settings as well. So under the settings, if you want to connect to your Instagram and you were not connected, or WhatsApp, you can do that. How do you connect to Instagram? You see that here it is connected. If it wasn't connected, it will say connect. So when you click on the connect, it will just take you to log into Instagram and follow the processes and connect. WhatsApp too, you see that the WhatsApp, it seems the WhatsApp is not connected, so they're asking me to connect it now. So when I click on the connect, it will ask me for the details and then it will be able to connect it for me. When I fail it, I follow and then submit all the details. Well, page access. Page access is if you want to give administrator or editor to someone to have access to your page. That is where you can do all those settings. Then that is about the settings, the orders, and all the tools on the Meta Ad Manager. If you also want to go to the help center, business help center, you can also click on help center. So this is basically how to use the app. But before I end up this video, I want to show you how to invite people to come and like your page. When you come here, you can see you can click on the three lines at the top right hand corner, and then you switch to the page which you want to switch to. You click on the notifications, then you go to the advert. So this is the advert. You see, these are all the people that liked the advert. So when you click on it, you see the invite. So when you click on invite, it will send an invitation to all those that saw they liked the post or the advert, but they didn't like the page. So when they come and now like the page, they will become followers of the page. If you take time and then follow it, it is going to really help you to get a lot of followers free of charge. If you follow this and you have any problem with the Meta Business Suite app, you can let me know. I am ready to help you be able to learn how to use it properly so that you can use it to manage your pages. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell and like this video for other more powerful videos. Once again, thank you. You can leave your comments in the comment section. You can also follow the WhatsApp or Telegram link in the description to contact me for help if you have any problem. Bye bye and see you in the next video.